Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog, fine people of the world. So today what we're gonna do, we finally about to put the swing arm on the back of the motorcycle and get all those little giblets put together so we can see what this thing is gonna look like. So as you know, I just got the front nose just sitting up here for right now. We're gonna be focusing on the back, but yes sir, we about to get this thing sitting up under its own power, hopefully today. Got a lot of things going on back here. So let's not waste no time. Still working on this right here. I know I'm wasting time right now, but I'm just talking, but I'm just giving you an update and letting you know where I'm at. So I haven't done no body work on this. I need to finish doing the body work on this. Like I said, this is about to get mounted up right now as we speak. We got a lot of things going today, so stick around, grab your popcorn, and let's watch this video, baby. Man, see, this is the stuff I be talking about right here. See that? I gotta take this back off and repaint it. This is the kind of stuff that really pisses me off. But that's okay. We're not gonna let that be negative. We're gonna keep pushing, okay? So now I guess gotta figure out a different way of doing it because the bike keep moving so much and I thought I could do it, but God dog, it is what it is. There's always something. Oh my gosh, check this out. Man, the rim is on. And I was this is my first time running a 240 tire on this. And I thought for a second that I was gonna have to order a new rim, but look at this. Clearance, full spin. Now it's a little loose. I got one bolt in here that's loose because my key, you see how little these holes are? Like, what are they thinking? Like, how are you gonna get something around there? The key keeps hitting. So I'm gonna end up going with different lug nuts right here because of that fact that I can't put it on there. So it's a little loose right now. Let's see, I'll show you which one. One of them's loose. I just saw it moving. But anyhow, look at that. There. Yeah, you hear that banging just because it's moving. But other than that, bro, that's the forged carbon. Oh, look at that. Now, the swing arm situation, I couldn't use the solid strut. It wouldn't work in this area because it came out a little bit longer and the pitch would have been off and it would have threw it way out here. So I'm like, no, you know what? We're just gonna go with Lauren links. So I'm gonna go buy some Lauren links. We're gonna put those on here. So I gotta do something with the spring. I'm thinking about painting the spring yellow. Down in the comment section below, let me know what you think. But I think that little hint of yellow really brings the bike out. Like, it really makes a huge difference in look and its stance. It might just be me. I might be prejudiced, but since it's mine, that front wheel with the yellow here, and when I have the yellow on the brake caliper in the back, and I'm thinking about doing that shock yellow, and I think that will be it with the yellow as far as, you know, the speakers. I still gotta do body work up here. Don't look at this. I ain't done with it. I'm just sitting it up here so we can step back and look at what else we need to put on this front end. Man, I'm just so relieved. I'm gonna put the side fairings on, and I wanted to pull it outside, but I'm like, that might have to be tomorrow because it's not happening in the day. It's a little cloudy. So, man, every time I just look at this thing, wow, I can just visualize it now. Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
How do you get the bolt on the head?